Yeah.
No, I'm looking like Spider.
No! Oh, no. What the fuck does he have? What the hell
Get
is
in here with you.
What is that? What is that?
It's a spider.
Ew, no. Oh my god, no. Ew. That is disgusting.
It's good.
No. Oh my god, he just ate a spider.
Just for you, darling. I got some more.
No.
Yeah.
We're, oh my god, no. What is in there?
Bugs.
No. Ew. Nope. I don't want
That's
any.
crazy. More for me.
Oh, gross. I guess you get your protein that way. Oh, I hear him crunching. Oh my god. You're already eating weird shit. Uh-oh.
That's zero.
What the?
I'm zero.
Zero? Was that zero? Okay.
I'm beta.
You're beta? Okay.
What do you have for me? You got something to feed me?
No.
You don't?
Beta's got
No,
bugs.
no bites.
Beta's got bugs.
Ooh, Oakley Asylum. Oh,
Whoa.
shit. Oh my goodness, they're shooting at us.
Oh, God.
Oh, this is creepy.
Look at they're all running.
I know they're all running. Is it an emergency? Okay.
He's gonna give us our injections. Come on.
Injections?
Yeah.
Oh shit! What?
Oh, his floor's
Oh my
spongy
god!
moving
This
around.
is freaking awesome! I don't. Oh, shit!
Jesus!
Ooh, no. Uh-oh, we're going in.
Oh, I can't wait to eat dinner with you. It's gonna be so fun. How's it going? Are you here to see the doctor? So
Yes.
good, man. Can't wait to see you. It's gonna be so much fun.
Holy shit! Yeah! Oh my god! Wow.
You like my dolls? Pretty?
They're pretty freaking creepy.
Right here.
Uh-oh.
Right here.
She has an injection. And, oh! Oh, Ian! I think I'm good.
The doctor! Get out of my way! Where are you going?
We're going to find the doctor. Who are you? The assistant. Abigail? Okay.
I'm the doctor's wife.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Oh, welcome, everyone.
Oh, wow.
Come right in. Allow me to properly introduce myself. I am B.H. Carver, also known as Dr. Psycho. And tonight, folks, we have a very special surprise for you. Allow me to introduce you to my wife, Abigail. My creation, Patient Zero. My creation Beta. As well as 23. We have all of our
23.
creations tonight to show you all. But also, folks, to show you a little experiment we've been working on. Worms to show you immortality. Please watch and observe.
Uh-oh.
The key to everlasting immortal life. Are you wanting to try, my dear?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Okay. I don't think so.
Oh, come on. Look, my dear. So delicious.
I think I'll try a
Let me
bite.
tell you something. A worm a day keeps the doctor away.
I'll take part of a worm.
You gotta have a whole worm. You can't have half
Okay,
of it.
okay. I'll try it.
I don't think you're wanting to.
I'll do
You
it,
look
okay.
a little nervous to try
I'm
one.
pretty nervous, but I would like to live forever, so you never know.
I don't think you're wanting to.
Oh my god.
My dear, we have so many lovely ones to show you around in here. Come.
You do. You're a
Come
great
on now.
doctor. A great doctor.
Look here, my dear. We got
Oh.
psycho serum running around the sea. Yes, would you like to see what it looks like?
Sure.
Come on,
What
Beta. I think
happens?
you need your doses, my boy. Once, folks. There we go.
Oh,
Now, folks,
that's why they
if
wanted
you
it.
all survive the night, make sure you come back and see the good doctor again tonight.
Patient Zero. Uh-oh. Get him up.
Oh, don't run so fast. We don't want no one having an accident. least not just yet. Now, folks, please come and visit us anytime, because we always welcome you all to our home. Take good care of yourselves and each other.
Love it.
Yes, sir!